Hello everyone. So in the second part of the tutorial, we will continue to sculpt the eyes and then the mouth and try to get our colors right. So we have the red color for the eyes, red color for the mouth, then we have the green color for the area above the mouth, and then the yellow color. This is what we are trying to create. And then let's see how to proceed with our face modeling. I will save this file and I will open my tutorial file. So this is where we were. So now we will try to get our eyes modeled. So what I'll do is I'll try to align these in the right place. So these one will go back. Okay, so this is like the top of the eye and these will go back. So if I go 3, then they go back, then I will let go of 1 and then again move it back a little bit. Now you can see that my eye is not aligning properly, so I'll try to move this character in the right place. Okay, I can also hide the subdivision. So the last 3 go all the way back, and the last one will go all the way back here. This one will be here. This 2. So it's important that you move things in a specific axis. So now this should be at the center of the eye. So our eye is here somewhere. So we need to start moving these. All right, so these areas, all these are towards this is like the area between the eye and the nose. So it will be going behind this eye. So this eye is here. It will be going behind. Okay, and then this will try to be between somewhere. And these can come out a little bit to form that eye shape. So this is our eye from the side, this is our eye from the front even. This looks a little bit odd, so we'll try to fix it. Okay, so you get that eye shape there. All right, so we got the eye shape. Then now it's taking shape. Now we will see how to model the mouth. So to keep things easy, what I will do is I'll simply select one of these and duplicate it and bring it here. Okay, so then we can start modeling the lips. We can extrude, extrude, extrude. Okay, and then this will be inside and this will be outside. I can select this 50 to bring it down. This will go here, go here, this will go here. So we can try to connect these, merge at center. Okay, now these one, again, side view, the whole thing will be here, outside. This will be here. The back of the mouth. Okay, so this is the top lip and this is the bottom lip. Get the shape right. All right, then we will extrude it out to get some definition. Merge to center. Okay, now these things are the bulge of the lip. These go inside. Same way this go inside and this goes out. You can see that the numeric pad really comes in handy when you try to model. So you get that roundness of the lips. Okay, now we will try to create we got this area. Now we'll try to create the purple area. So we will extrude it one more time. Now the purple area is also round and ends at a point here. So what we need to do is we'll move these to give that definition. We'll go to the materials and a new material and make it purple, and we will color that area purple. So we know what part of that mesh we have modeled. Okay, so we got the purple part, and then now we will make this green part here. So you can see that there are two extrusions. So select this, extrude, extrude. Then we'll have to create a new layer, make it green. Okay, then we need to create the yellow one, so we have to extrude below. To make this yellow. Okay, then the yellow goes up. So the yellow and the green are going to merge. And then the top part, so the nose and the middle of the eye comes down. So all these comes down. Align it. Then this one and this one I can go to edge, bridge edge loop. So we got that, some of the shape of yellow, purple, green, yellow color, and then we will continue to model this in the next class.